The content in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Cobb County, Georgia. On June 24, 2025, Cobb County Police responded to 911 calls about a bobtail semi-truck driving recklessly and nearly crashing into other vehicles. An officer spotted the truck on Dallas Highway and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver decided to flee onto both northbound and southbound lanes of Barrett Parkway, trying to evade officers. Cobb County officers later discovered that the truck was stolen, adding to the list of charges the suspect now faces. Close quote. Do you want me to create the audio?
You're 15 Central. Yeah. Radio B is not stop. Where the Barrett northbound.
7514, he's now on the opposite lane of travel.
There, eastbound, wrong way, continuing. 52. Just got into the eastbound lanes of travel, down the correct direction. We have a unit in front and 3 behind him. Halfway, trying to run, please, vehicle, continuing. We're going to notify GSP.
7514, he's now entered the other lane of traffic, and now he's just crashed back over to the correct lanes. So you can get a helo. 1022, he's wrecking. He just wrecked out radio.
Okay. Just get away from the car. Come drive. Let me see your hand.